How to fix .exe files not opening in Windows 10 and Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you several methods to restore the default exe file association and fix the problem. First, click the search icon, type CMD, then select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type the following command and press Enter: gpupdate/force. Wait for the process to finish. Next, click Search, type Registry Editor, and open it as an administrator. Click Yes if prompted. In Registry Editor, expand hkey_classes_root and scroll down until you find the .exe key. Click .exe, then double-click the default value. Make sure the value data is set to EXE file. Click OK to save the change. Now scroll down and open the EXE file key. Double-click the default value and make sure the value data is %1 space %*. Click OK. Next, expand the following path: exfile/shell/open/command. Double-click the default value and make sure the value data is also %1 space %*. Click OK to save the changes. After that, open Settings and go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates for your computer. Once the updates are complete, open Command Prompt as an administrator again. Type the following command and press Enter: sfc/scan now. Wait for the System File Checker to scan and repair any corrupted system files. When the scan is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, your exe files should open normally again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.